If you're looking for a natural tonic which inspires hair growth and reverses hair loss, you'll enjoy learning about the power and potential of onion juice. This natural veggie juice may not smell as good as a lot of commercial hair preparations, but it works wonders for most people who use it, and this is why we're featuring it here today. The active hair growth ingredient in onion juice is sulfur. Sulfur is a mineral which is one component in hair. When onion juice for hair growth is applied, it will boost circulation of the blood and therefore ensure that all hair follicles receive the vital nourishment that they need. This will contribute to new hair growth, while also reducing hair loss in some users. The research. Onion's potential as a potent home remedy for hair loss has also been studied scientifically. In 2002, the Journal of Dermatology published a small study that looked into the use of onion juice for alopecia areata, an autoimmune disease that presents with patchy hair loss. Participants who applied onion juice twice daily for 2 months experienced much better hair regrowth rates compared to those who only used tap water. In the study, hair regrowth was observed in 87% of patients treated with onion juice. Men had better success with the treatment than did women. Here is how to use onion for hair loss and regrowth. Peel the onions and chop them into small pieces. Squeeze the juice out. To extract the juice, you can use a food processor, a blender, a grater or a juicer. Massage the juice into your scalp or cover the bald patches. Leave on for at least 15 minutes, longer if you can tolerate the smell, and then wash out using a mild shampoo. Repeat the onion juice treatment daily to encourage hair regrowth. If you apply onion juice to your scalp for the first time, test it on a small area first to make sure you are not allergic to it. This is a natural treatment, so you'll have to be a bit patient to see the results. Use it daily, or minimum 3 times a week, and allow at least 2 months for your hair to start becoming stronger and shinier. It takes a while before noticing results, as much as 4 to 6 weeks. According to the research about onion juice for hair growth, at 4 weeks, hair regrowth was seen in 74% of the participants, and, at 6 weeks, the hair regrowth was observed in 87% of the participants. Side effects. The most common side effects of applying the onion juice to your scalp are redness and itching. If you suffer from these side effects, try to leave the onion juice for a shorter period of time. You can also try to make the onion juice less concentrated by mixing it with some castor oil, which can also help to regrow hair.